What's up, guys? Got the holidays out the way. Hope everybody had a good Christmas. It's time to start rebuilding the Maxima. Last year we were racing that 700 horsepower Supra and I hurt cylinder 3. I ended up frying the piston and hurt the block a little bit. Piston is not happy today. Alrighty. Anyways, yeah, block's all messed up. I'll put a short clip of that race up real quick so you can hear me dance on rev limiter for quite some time, but we do have a fresh block here. Got to get that to the machine shop. Got to get the heads over to the machine shop, just to have them resurfaced. No issues with that. Get the motor back together, rebuild the trans quick, and then time to change this up a bit. Last year we went 1061 at 129. Which is currently the state's record for this Nissan Maxima. But this is a full interior car, literally. The back seats are in, trunk is minor gutted, and yeah. But still full dash, still has heat. But we're gonna change some stuff, see if we can get it a little lighter. Maybe put a weight plate up front. Did cut a 160 foot last year. I'm sure everybody's wondering why I'm not working on the Nova, but gotta get the daily driver weekend racer back up and going first. This car is a legit drag car. I'm not ready for this yet, but this thing should be pretty rowdy once I do get going on it. I'm not gonna put too much of this in this video, but there will be other videos for this to come. But stay tuned. We'll get this Maxima rebuild going. You guys wanna watch? Do everything right in here. Myself. One of my buddies will be tuning in as well. I should be getting a lift in here next week. And get things going. Let's get to it, boys.